In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix messages not delivered on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app and check whether your message appears green or blue because this can help identify whether the issue is with SMS or iMessage. Then head back to your home screen and swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Check the top left side of the screen and make sure your SIM card carrier name appears correctly. If you see no SIM or no signal, your messages will not send properly. In that case, remove your SIM card, clean it gently, reinsert it, and check if the network reconnects. If your SIM card is already working, open Settings, enable Airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off. After that, go to Mobile Service or Silver Data Service. Select your active SIM card and make sure Turn on this line is enabled. You can also tap Mobile Data Network and reset the settings before returning to previous page. Then select Default Voice Line and confirm the correct SIM card is selected. Next, head back to Settings, scroll down to Apps and tap Messages. Make sure iMessage is turned on. Then scroll down and enable MMS messaging, as well as send as SMS or retire as text message. These options help your iPhone resend failed iMessage as regular text message when needed. If issue still continues, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and finally install the latest version of iOS. If none of these fixes, perform a forced restart on your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and then hold the power button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, try sending your message again and your SMS or iMessage should now work properly. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.